Que veux-tu dire?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Je vais le faire moi-même.
I will do it myself. I will do it myself.
Bon rétablissement.
Get well soon. Get well soon.
Salut à tous.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Je te fais confiance.
I trust you. I trust you.
Allons-y.
Let's go. Let's go.
Calme-toi.
Calm down. Calm down.
Qui es-tu?
Who are you? Who are you?
Je suis fier de toi.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Écoute-moi.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Attends ici.
Wait here. Wait here.
Je suis marié.
I am married. I am married.
Est-ce que tu m'aimes?
Do you love me? Do you love me?
Assieds-toi s'il te plaît.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Félicitations.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
C'est loin?
Is it far? Is it far?
Ce n'est pas loin.
It is not far. It is not far.
Tu te souviens?
Do you remember? Do you remember?
Où est mon argent?
Where is my money? Where is my money?
Arrêtez-vous ici s'il vous plaît.
Please stop here. Please stop here.
Pardonne-moi.
Forgive me. Forgive me.
Laisse-moi tranquille.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Tu me manques.
I miss you. I miss you.
J'étais inquiet.
I was worried. I was worried.
C'est la même chose.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Comment te sens-tu?
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Je serai de retour demain.
I will be back tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow.
Qui est cette femme?
Who is that woman? Who is that woman?
Je suis content de te voir.
I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you.
Fais-le rapidement s'il te plaît.
Please do it quickly. Please do it quickly.
Je suis fatigué.
I'm tired. I'm tired.